Today I want to talk about a new bank that recently just got launched in Malaysia. Introducing Ryt Bank, the world's first AI-powered banks for payment. Now, before you start imagining some boring old school type of banking app, this banking app is super different compared to the rest of it, and it's a full-on game changer. Imagine banking that's so smart you can literally just type out who you want to send money to, how much, and it will do exactly that. Or maybe by just uploading a screenshot of a payment you need to make, and it will do all the hard work for you. No more copy-pasting account numbers wrongly just to make a simple transaction. And it's not just that, the best part, by keeping money in this bank, you'll also be earning daily interest, which most banks in Malaysia generally don't even offer. I'll show you more about all this in just a second, but first, let's talk about who Ryt Bank really are. You see, Ryt Bank is an entity established by YTL Digital Capital and also Sea Limited. You know, the company behind Garena and also Shopee? Yeah, them. This isn't some startup company or whatever, it's actually Malaysia's first AI-powered bank for payments. Fully licensed and regulated by Bank Negara Malaysia. And since this digital bank is considered to be like any other bank, this means that your deposits with Ryt Bank are actually PIDM insured and protected up to 250,000, just like any other major bank in Malaysia. Now, let's talk about how easy the sign-up process for Ryt Bank is, because this completely blew my mind. Normally, opening a bank account means filling in endless forms, bringing piles of documents, waiting in line, and then waiting again for approval. But with Ryt Bank, the whole thing just takes about 2 minutes. Since it's a fully digital bank, you don't have to physically step foot on a branch at all. Everything happens right on your phone. You open the app, key in your details, snap a photo of your IC, and take a quick selfie for biometric face verification. This is the eKYC process lah. Basically the bank confirming who you say you really are, all without ever stepping out of your house. And once you've done all those, you can simply just deposit any amount into your account, and that's it. No paper forms, no we'll be emailing you back after 3 working days, none of that nonsense. Alright, now let's talk about some of the features of Ryt Bank that I absolutely love, starting with Ryt AI. You see, it's not every day you get to see AI being integrated into something like a bank. The whole point of AI is to make our life easier, cutting out all those small, time-wasting, unnecessary steps, and that's exactly what Ryt AI is built for. It's like having your own personal finance assistant living inside your own bank account. With Ryt AI, you can literally type something as simple as send 50 ringgit to Mirban, and it will do exactly that. You just have to check the details, make sure it's correct or not, and then just hit confirm. Let me show you an example how simple it is to actually transfer using the Ryt AI function. Alright, so to use a Ryt AI to transfer, all you got to do is just tap on the Ask Ryt AI option on the top. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be taken to this page right here. So this page is where you actually get to prompt Ryt AI to do any transfer that you want. So for example, I want to transfer 20 ringgit to my friend Mirban. I'm going to type transfer 20 ringgit to my friend Mirban. So this is my friend Mirban right here. I'm going to transfer 20 ringgit to him, and I'm going to click send. So Ryt AI is going to process this, and your job is basically to check the details and the amount of that transfer. So everything looks right, go ahead and click approve. That's it, your transfer will just go through just like that. But here's the part that really impressed me. You can also upload a screenshot of a bill or invoice, and Ryt AI will automatically read those details, fill in the payment info, and get it sent. It even works if you snap a quick photo of your bill, and it's super smart. No more triple checking account numbers, no more worrying about sending money to the wrong person, and no more wasting time manually typing in payment details. You just tell it what you want, and it gets done in seconds, securely and without errors. But make sure to always double check the details before hitting confirm lah, just in case. Now here's the part that honestly blew me away lah. With Ryt Bank, your money in your account doesn't just sit there and do nothing. The moment you deposit, it starts earning you interest. Yes, you heard me right. Daily, not monthly, not once in a while, but literally every single day. And the best part, there's no minimum deposit. No complicated requirements, no lock-in periods like any other fixed deposit kind of products. You just put in your money into Ryt Bank like any other savings account in Malaysia and you'll start earning interest immediately. To put it into perspective, most traditional savings account in Malaysia only give you around 0.2% in interest per year. That's about 2 ringgit for every 1,000 ringgit you save in a traditional bank for the entire year. But with Ryt Bank, you're getting up to 4% interest per year, and that's split across 365 days. So every single day, you're earning a tiny slice of that 4%, which means you can literally see your balance growing daily inside the app. Here's an example. If you keep 10,000 ringgit in a traditional savings account in Malaysia at 0.2% interest, you'll only be receiving about 20 ringgit the entire year. But with Ryt Bank at 4% interest yearly, that same 10,000 ringgit earns you about 400 ringgit per year, which breaks down to roughly about 1 ringgit something per day. It may not sound like a lot, but it's actually money your traditional bank would never even bother to give you. Plus, when compared to Malaysia's current inflation rate at around 1 to 3%, Ryt Bank's 4% interest doesn't just help you grow your money, it also helps keeps in pace with inflation, ensuring your savings retain more of its value over time. Now, earning daily interest is great, but what if you want to take this a step further and actually organize your money even better? And this is where one of my other favorite features of Ryt Bank comes in: pockets. Think of pockets like separate accounts within your main bank account. Instead of keeping all of your money lumped into one balance, you can actually split them up into a few different accounts all within the same app. This is honestly a feature I wish most banks in Malaysia have within their savings account, and I'm so glad Ryt Bank did it. As someone who loves personal finance and also managing their money, this feature is honestly damn sick. You can create different savings or pockets for different goals. For example, for me, I made one for my emergency fund, one for my holiday savings, and also one for my house down payment. And you can create as many pockets as you want and have fun with it. The best part, each pocket still earns you the same 4% interest per year, just like your main account. So even when you're setting money aside for specific goals, it's still growing every single day with that interest. No more needing multiple bank accounts or separate apps. Everything is neatly organized in one place right inside Ryt Bank. Now, right after you open an account with Ryt Bank, you can also request for this really cool looking debit card. And honestly, it looks super amazing lah. The chrome finish, the sleek look on this card actually looks nicer than some of the credit cards that I personally own. But it's not just about the looks. With the Ryt Debit Card, you can instantly use the money from your account anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Shopping online, paying for food delivery, or even tapping at the counter. The card is linked directly to your Ryt Bank account, so there's no need to top up like an e-wallet or wait for transfers to happen. It's super seamless. On top of that, there are no ATM withdrawal fees nationwide, which makes getting cash super convenient. And if you're traveling overseas anytime soon, you'll also enjoy a 1.2% unlimited cashback on this card on foreign spending, and also 0 foreign exchange fees on the card. Now, I have no idea yet what the exact conversion rates are when using this card overseas, but I'll make sure to be testing this out on my next trip and sharing it with you guys how it goes. Plus, you still get full control from the app. You can freeze or unfreeze your card with a single tap, even if it gets lost. Change your PIN instantly and track every single transaction in real time. And because it's tied to your AI-powered bank, you'll also get smart insights on how and where you're spending your hard-earned money. And yes, Ryt Bank also supports Do It Now QR, so you can pay instantly just by scanning a QR code. You can also schedule payments just like any other banking app, handle all of your bills, transfers, and online payments seamlessly. All the usual functions that you'll expect from a modern day bank. Fully digital, fast, and super efficient. All connected in one place, which is the Ryt Bank account. So to sum it all up, Ryt Bank is more than just a bank. It's a fully digital AI-powered banking experience designed to make your life easier and also smarter. From Ryt Bank handling payments instantly, pockets keeping your money organized, and a sleek debit card giving you your style and also convenience, to Ryt Bank making all your cashless transactions seem effortless. Everything is built with you in mind. So if you're ready to make banking smarter, faster, and more convenient, do check out the Ryt Bank app today and experience the world's first AI-powered bank for yourself. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you've ever managed without it. It's honestly a game changer, and if you guys are interested, do check out the link below to download the app. I'll leave it in the description and comment section down below for you guys to download. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao, peace.